Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to boost your website's impact and connect with your audience in a powerful way, setting up Squarespace email campaigns is a fantastic place to start. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your first automated email campaign on Squarespace, from choosing your campaign type all the way through activating it. Let's dive straight in so you can get your message out there. First things first, head to your Squarespace website dashboard. Over on the left pane, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Email Campaigns. It might be a little further down if your menu's expanded. Just take your time and scroll. Clicking on Email Campaigns opens up a whole new suite of tools dedicated to helping you communicate with your audience easily and professionally. Now, when you get inside the Email Campaigns section, you'll notice a range of options. Welcome, form submission, thank you, promotion, newsletter, discounts, and even more. These are different kinds of email automations you can set up, tailored for different types of interactions. For example, a welcome email is perfect for greeting new subscribers, while a promotion email can help highlight a special sale or event. Think about the relationship you're trying to build with your audience and pick the type that matches your goal. If you're not sure yet, don't worry. Squarespace shows you a short description under each option, so take a moment to read through and choose the best fit for your needs. Once you've picked the campaign type, the next step is to select an automation workflow. You'll see categories like engagement, loyalty, or re-engagement. Here's a quick way to think about these. If you want to encourage folks to interact more with your site, engage with your content, or keep coming back, go for engagement. If your goal is to reward dedicated customers with special perks or information, loyalty is a great choice. And if you want to win back visitors who haven't stopped by in a while, re-engagement campaigns are designed for that. Take a moment to consider your audience. Sometimes, the right automation can make all the difference in building trust or sparking interest. After you've chosen an automation, click Next, and you'll be prompted to select an email template. Squarespace offers some beautifully designed templates, so this is where you can let your brand's personality shine. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or warm and welcoming, pick a template that both matches the tone of your campaign and feels authentic to you. Remember, a good template doesn't just look professional. It can also help make your message clear and easy to read. Once you've made your selection, it's time to click Create Automation. You'll be able to preview and refine the workflow you've just set up, checking to make sure each detail is right. This is the part where you make those final tweaks, and don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just the way you want. It's totally normal to make adjustments. Take a deep breath. You're almost there. When you're happy with everything, hit the Activate button. A quick note, Squarespace does require you to upgrade your plan to actually send automated campaigns. So, if you don't see the Activate option, double-check if your subscription supports campaigns. Upgrading unlocks all these powerful features, so it's worth considering if you're looking to really step up your email game. And that's it. You're officially set up to start sending professional, targeted emails through Squarespace. If this walkthrough helped, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want advice on designing your first email, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and tips to help you make the most out of your website. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your campaigns.